had a long day, but I need a snack, okay? So I'm going to make some fat bombs, and I'm going to share my recipes with you guys. The holidays around the corner. There's a lot of sweets, a lot of pies that you can't eat. I know, but I'm gonna save you, okay? Now for our strawberry fat bomb, I'm gonna cut up some real strawberries. Now you do not have to use real strawberries. If you don't, you can use a strawberry extract, but I prefer real strawberries. Again, it's my choice and it's your preference, but I'm just chopping a few right now. So I just add some butter, like a couple of spoons, and then I'm going to add some cream cheese also to my fat bomb. When I say cream cheese, it's like the main thing I eat on keto. Like, it is amazing. So my cream cheese was softened, so I just take my hand blender beater. You guys know what I'm talking about, my hand blender, and I just basically mix everything all together. So I'm going to add a couple of splashes of vanilla, and I'm going to use 2 of my favorite keto sugar replacements. Swerve is probably one of the most sugar replacements that most people usually use when they're on keto. And I just blend everything all up. So you guys, this batter right here, you take a strawberry. This could be a nice snack, even if you freeze it. But you don't even like keto and she approves.
You freeze them out?
No, I'm about to put it in a way so I can freeze it, yeah. I'm gonna put it in a cup.
Freeze balls of them?
Yeah.
You're not gonna dip it in the strawberry and then put the strawberry in the freezer?
I can do that too. Like I said, you made yogurt. So Bae said she want me to use this batter and freeze it with some strawberries so she can have it as a snack. So
on your side,
I'm about to make another dessert. Alright you guys, so I'm going to use this cupcake liner, and I'm just going to take a couple of scoops and I'm just going to put it in there. Since I made the batter a little bit too creamy, I couldn't ball it up like I really wanted to, but I improvised, and honestly I think I like it better because it's just going to be freezing into a cute little cup. And I'm just going to put these in these little containers and put them in the freezer for an hour or 2 or just overnight. Time to make our Reese's Pieces keto batter. So I'm going to use some cream cheese. Make sure it's softened. It's a lot easier when it's softened. I'm going to only use half of a cream cheese stick, and I'm going to use this legendary peanut butter spread. You guys probably see it all over Instagram. It is keto friendly. It's very tasteful, but it's very expensive. So if you find something else that you can use that's sugar-free peanut butter, I recommend you use it. So you just basically mix that up together. I am going to use our keto-friendly Lily's dark chocolate chips. Now when I say they are so delicious, but they are expensive. If you know anything about Lily's, they are expensive, okay? So I'm just going to add a couple of that chips in there. Again, I'm going back with the Swerve, my favorite 2 keto sugar replacements, okay? And I'm just going to mix everything up all together. Of course, I have to add a splash of vanilla. If I add a splash of vanilla to any dessert I make that's keto, like, you just have to. mix it until I do not see any more of my cream cheese inside of it. I just see more like a big ball of peanut butter and some chocolate chips. Make sure you taste your keto snacks, you guys. Ain't nothing worse than when you're trying to eat it at the end and it do not taste good. So after I mix everything, I just put it all in a cupcake liner again, and then I'm basically gonna put it in the freezer for about an hour, or again overnight. Guys, so just got off work. I had these in the freezer all night, and when I tell you, bro, so this is basically the Reese's Pieces Buttercup one. Bro, and I had the cheesecake one. I legit made ice cream. It's like mason jar ice cream without the jar. I guarantee that stuff on my chin. Y'all need to try this recipe and y'all will thank me later, because baby, it's so good. It is so good. I think I'm about to make me another batch, because so this is how the strawberry one looks. You just peel it, and then it just, you know, is in a shape like that. Y'all, let me show y'all the peanut butter one. Remember, she wanted some frozen strawberries, so I got her the frozen strawberries right here, and I guarantee you it's probably like the best thing ever. And then this is the Reese's Pieces Buttercup. Oh, here's the rest. I'm about to make me another batch, because I'm telling you, Thanksgiving and Christmas, y'all need to just make this. If you're on a keto diet and you really want to not go to the dessert table, make you these desserts and you will not regret it. If you like this video, hit that like button. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye.